Hello, my name is Sarah Ocampo at Ocampo Wiseman Law. I am a local Las Vegas estate planning, probate, and business attorney. Today I wanted to come on here and answer a question that I frequently receive. How do you contest a will? Now, obviously this depends on the circumstances of your situation, so I'm just going to generally go over how to contest a will in the most typical circumstances. In any event, you're going to want a lawyer if you're trying to contest a will. One of the ways to contest it is to say that the testator, the person that passed away, the decedent, otherwise known as the decedent, did not have capacity to sign and write their will at the time that they did. If you're going that route and you don't think that the person had capacity, then you're going to have to get doctors that will be able to testify that this person did not have capacity at the time that they wrote their will. So this is a high burden. Another way that people contest wills is if they have a holographic will they're dealing with, which is a will that was handwritten by the testator, meaning the decedent, and they don't think it's the decedent's handwriting. So then they say this isn't actually the person's handwriting, and they have to get people to write affidavits and possibly testify in court to say they're familiar with the decedent's handwriting and this is not the decedent's handwriting. So that's a way that you might have to contest a will if this is the situation in your case. Finally, the other way to contest a will is if you have a situation where the decedent actually gives all of their stuff or a majority of their stuff or half their stuff to their caretaker. Then there is a concern, there's a red flag that maybe the caretaker unduly influenced them into giving them all their stuff. This is a very complicated one and you absolutely need to talk to a lawyer more about it. But those are three ways that people can contest wills depending on your situation, if it makes sense, if this is really what happened. If you want to talk more about this or you want to try to avoid probate, try to avoid having to deal with a will at all, please feel free to give my office a call. I offer complimentary 15-minute phone calls. You can book directly on my website or you can call my office to schedule.